how to reactivate a deleted Facebook account. So if you are logged out and you didn't have another account from your Facebook, just go ahead and enter your your email or phone number and your password, and you're gonna be able to recover it right away, because there is a timeline for you if you decided to delete your account or deactivate your account, for you to just get back to it later, which is a 30-day timeline. So if you are within the 30-day limit, right, I should say, you could just go ahead and add your email or phone number and your password and you're good to go. And if you have another account on Facebook and you want to reactivate your account, just go ahead right here like me into my menu. Just go ahead to the settings gear at the top, and you're gonna see the meta. Go ahead and click on it, and you're gonna see personal details. Just move along to the next step, which is the last one, account ownership and control, and you're gonna see reactivation. Just go ahead to the reactivation, and you're gonna see right here this account need to reactivate. Okay, and it says right here scheduled for deletion. So I'm gonna just click on it, and I'm gonna just hit cancel deletion. I'm gonna add my password on Facebook. All right, and after I confirm that I want to change my password, okay, you're gonna just wait it out. All right, afterwards you're gonna confirm that you are the one who wanted to reactivate, is now reactivated. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.